Hey there, Todd Davis from Alternative Conversion Engineering, back from the 2021 Florida Land Rover Rally at Withlacoochee Wildlife Management Area. Had a great weekend. Said it was supposed to be really deep there, hadn't been there. Been a dry winter, snorkeled it out, but it turned to be dry. Some nice deep runs. We worked on the factory air box, tied it all in. Had a great weekend. Everybody had a really good long run on Saturday, 50 or 60 miles through the forest. All the best thing, no warning lights. Vehicle ran great all weekend.